one good UMP. They've got 1,000. We don't even know if Makarov's intel's any good. Price? Price?
The healthy human mind doesn't wake up in the morning thinking this is its last day on Earth. But I think that's a luxury, not a curse. To know you're close to the end is a kind of freedom. Good time to take inventory. Outgunned, outnumbered, out of our minds on a suicide mission. But the sand and rocks here, stained with thousands of years of warfare, they will remember us for this. Because out of all our vast array of nightmares, this is the one we choose for ourselves. We go forward like a breath exhaled from the earth, with vigor in our hearts and one goal in sight. We will kill him.
I'll wait for you at the exfil point. 3 hours.
Don't bother. This was a one-way flight, mate.
Then good luck, my friend. Slava Boga.
Move out. Soap, I'm picking up a thermal spike up ahead. The cave must be somewhere over the edge. Hold up. Enemy patrol. Hold your fire. Looks like Makarov's intel was solid. This is it. Good. They're splitting up. Let them separate. This decryption code better be worth the price we paid.
Go ahead, Alpha.
Riverbed all clear, over.
Bravo. Sandstorm. Not much to see right now. Over. Zulu.
We're starting our patrol east along the canyon. North side access road, over.
Focus on the group on the right, directly beneath us. Let's take them out first. I'll take the two on the left. On my mark. 3, 2, 1. We're compromised. Go loud. Target 11 o'clock.
I got a runner! I killed harder targets than these guys. Stay in formation.
Target neutralized. So, these aren't your average Muppets. No more mistakes. Let's go. Here we go. Hold up here.
Disciple 4, Oxide. What's your status, over? Disciple 4, Oxide. Do you copy, over?
Go.
Hey, I'm not getting anything from Disciple 4 at the North Ridge Road. Could be a bad transmitter.
Got 2 tangos down below. Do it. Let's go. Tango up ahead. Do not engage. Patrol coming our way. Go left, quickly. Let them pass.
Butcher 7, Oxide. We've lost contact with Disciple 5. Probably just the sandstorm that's rolling in, or a bad transmitter. Send a team to check it out. Over.
Roger that, Oxide. I'll send Vincent and Lambert. Butcher 7 out.
Take out the guard having a smoke, or wait for him to move along. Let's go. Easy now. tangos in this corridor. Hold your fire and stay to the left.
Disciple 5, Oxide. Give me a sit rep, over.
So, we've got 2 tangos with tack lights coming down the stairs under that red light dead ahead. I'll take the one on the right. On my mark. 3, 2, 1. Impressive. Clear. Go.
Disciple 6, we've lost all contact with Disciple 5. Check it out, over.
Top of the staircase. He's mine.
Roger that, Oxide. We're on the catwalk heading to the steam room. Stand by. Disciple 6, go dark. Breaching clear.
Here we go. Get ready.
Door charge planted. Ready to breach. Breaching. Move in. Foxtrot element, sweep left. Search pattern Echo Charlie. Go. Door area clear. Check your corners.
Go loud! Open fire!
You're here.
Open fire!
Stay frosty. Hunt him down.
Man down!
Enemy foot mobile up. Stay frosty. Keep it professional. Headshots only. Disciple 9, your rear guard just flatlined. Not possible. We just cleared that area. Nobody's that good, Oxide. It's Price. Back up priority items and burn the rest. Fire teams just delay them until we're ready to pull out.
Grab a riot shield. We'll need cover out here.
Oxide, Avatar 1. We have unauthorized personnel on the catwalk. I repeat, we have unauthorized personnel on the catwalk. You getting this?
Take point with the riot shield. I'll take care of any resistance. Stay low with that shield so I can get a clean shot.
Oxide, Disciple 9. We've got hostile contact approximately 50 meters from the nest. Over. Terminate with extreme prejudice. All personnel, be advised. We have 2 enemy foot mobiles on the catwalk heading to the crow's nest.
So, grab a riot shield and lead the way. I'll take care of any shooters. Grab a riot shield. We'll need cover out here. So, grab a riot shield and lead the way. Move up. So, grab a riot shield and lead the way. I'll take care of any shooters. Grab a riot shield. We'll need cover out here. So, grab a riot shield and lead the way. Keep low with that shield. Move up.
Target is Oscar Mike.
Move up. Move up.
Recon, go.
Move up. Move up. Good night.
We got a man
We're
down.
clear. Move in.
Butcher 1-5. Rendezvous at the nest and prepare to escort Gold Eagle to the LZ.
Gold Eagle must be Shepard. We're running out of time. Let's go.
I see movement. I've seen these tactics before. These guys are SAS.
They're using shields. Use frags.
We got a man down. Frag out. Got a man down.
Enemy foot mobile, Oscar Mike. Moving.
Keep it professional. Headshots only.
predictable. I got movement. We got a man down! I've seen these tactics before. These guys are SAS. Frag out! Butcher 2, roving into Sector Papa, Quebec. Got a man down! Cover me! Roger. Disciple 3, flying through Sector Charlie Zulu. Got a foot mobile. He's Oscar Mike.
They're using thermal through the smoke! They're digging in! Shepherd back to coast! We have to break through!
Frag out! Alpha team, fall back to running. Target is Oscar Mike. I'm out. Man down! Alpha team, fall back to Rally Point, Chester. Oxide, Butcher 5 actual. I got a severed dead cord. We're gonna need 10 mics to get the trunk rigged and the EBC primed. Over. Negative. Target's on the Eagle wants those charges hot in less than 3 mics. Get it done. Out.
All units be advised, this is Gold Eagle. The site has been compromised. I'm executing Directive 116 Bravo. If you're still inside, your service will be honored. For now.
Override the door controls. Use the keyboard. Override the door controls. Hurry! Run! Keep moving! This place is gonna blow!
Excalibur, this is Gold Eagle. Fire mission. Target package Romeo. Danger close. That's within 100 meters of your position, sir. That's not a suggestion. Send it. Roger. Fire mission, danger close.
So, incoming! Get down! Get down! Since when does Shepard care about danger close? Let's go! Stay close and follow me! To the west, so go!
Sir, sandstorm activity is picking up here. It's too risky for foot. Understood. Head for the tunnel. We'll take the Zodiacs. Yes, sir. Good! Got a man down! Disciple 3, flanking Sector Charlie Zulu. Cover me! Bring out! Down! Got a foot mobile. He's Oscar Mike. I've got eyes on target. Engaging full auto.
Soap, follow me, let's go! Shepard mentioned Zodiacs. There must be river access nearby, let's go.